YouTube is one of the best earning methods. Let's quickly get to know how to become eligible earn money from YouTube. How it works. I will make a lot of video about how to earn on YouTube. There are a lot of ways for the same paying system. As most of you know that YouTube pays money if your channel get followers more than 1,000 and watch hours more than 4,000 hours, then two-step verification that you can make it immediately, and last one, you must have 0 active community guideline strikes. If you will fill all of the requirements by uploading wonderful interesting videos as soon as possible, you can start earning money. Don't worry, your previous videos also may make money for you. If most of your videos are evergreen content, it means the names and topics of your videos is not temporarily interested topics. You can, for example, make videos about cooking receipts, make videos about how to make something, how to kind videos or educational videos and so on are evergreen content. If you could do all 4 requirements successfully, then you need go to Google AdSense. If you don't have Google AdSense account already, you need sign up with your Google email. Then you will have to connect your AdSense with your YouTube channel. How to connect YouTube channel with Google AdSense account? Don't worry, you will able to do it from your YouTube studio. Then you only need to continue produce videos that you made before. I mean, your topic needs to continuously precede one another. You will succeed, but you should know on secret. Attention. The secret is don't give up. Yes, you heard correctly, don't give up. Set the goal. Firstly, grow your channel for the minimum requirements, and don't think what will happen then. Only try to aim your first goal. Okay, if you did it, you will get your income will be growing periodically. How much time you will work, how much more your income will grow day by day. You start earning from cents for some day, or for some weeks, maybe more than 1 month. But don't forget that you will make money more than cents, and that day is not so far. Only you need keep going, don't stop creating, don't stop uploading. In the other parts about how to make money on YouTube, I will make videos about what ideas you can make videos about. Where to start, what other video making tricks, mobile apps and successful YouTubers that you can get an idea from them how they made success, and some of them became a millionaire due to YouTube. I also want give you information about one guy that is succeeded on YouTube. His YouTubering history started 5 years ago, and 5 years anniversary was in December 25, 2021. It means he started working on YouTube in December 25, 2016. And now he is a millionaire and makes 6, 8, 10 or more thousands dollars a day. Sorry for interruption. This is our new financial video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, give likes to our videos and comment your impression and questions. In this part, more about that successful guy. His channel's name is Graham Stefan on YouTube and on some other social media. He is showing his income for the first time. When he started becoming a YouTuber in the end of the year 2016, he was uploading 3 videos every week and he did it without earning any cents, but he was knowing that it is a some kind in investing on the way making big profits in the future. But it is not enough to know that you will earn big money, you also need have a strong will and idea. You must learn some video editing abilities and try to understand how the things work. Graham Stefan shows that he is not earning nothing in the first 2 months, that he starts earning cents for some week, and after some weeks earning cents, finally he made $1 a day, then after some weeks he made some dollars a day, then after some months his earning growing as more as $10 and $100 every day. At least after more than 4 years his daily earnings is about more than 6, 8, 10,000 dollars a day. It means about 250,000 a month, and about 3 million a year, and it is growing day by day. You must give attention that his channel is all about finance and trading. It means his Google AdSense gives him more profit than other topics. Finance profitability is more than other categories ads. Also, your audience is different for their income. For you to understand how it works, for example, you will earn $10,000 for 100,000 views from United States. But you will earn $100 for 100,000 views from Namibia. As you see guys, the amount of views is the same 100K, but the audience is different. I said it to you because your video content and language you will use in your videos will deeply affects to your audience and your earnings. I want to show you other example. The YouTube channel name is Arda Mirselaglu, Turkish YouTuber. He made a video how much he made for his 1 million views, but he also talked about that their amount of money per thousands view is not the same, and it depends on what is your contents about, because as I said, there are different profit rate for different topics, and also other matter that is highly affects to your income is the audience. Where is mostly your audience from? Okay, let's turn back Arda Mirselaglu's channel, and that video, we should know what he talked about. In this video he shows from his YouTube studio that for more than 6,500 views from Azerbaijan gave him 46 Turkish lira. Currency doesn't matter because we only look at the difference to understand that he shows that just only 20 views from United States gave him 48 Turkish lira. You just need count how much he could be made money if he may had 6,500 from United States, but not from Azerbaijan. Okay, I counted, don't worry, for 6,500 views from Azerbaijan equals 46 Turkish lira, but if 6,500 views from United States it may equal more than 17,000 Turkish lira. I thinks you got the meaning, guys. Please write down below on the comments what you need to know about video editing free programs, about YouTube channel creation, about the ideas those may be more successful than others. Or comment only your ideas, maybe your idea may attract some others and their ideas may attract you. You must know that there are no enemy on YouTube, but there are a lot of rivals without knowing you. They only want to take more of the audience than anybody else. It is not hard to imagine that you can start YouTube today, and maybe you will make more than Graham Stefan in his YouTubering turn. As you see, he made more than 5.4 million in 5 years. And 2 million of the 5.4 million he made in 2021. It means your income is not staying stable. It is growing day by day. Only you need keep going, produce more videos and attract your audience every time. When you start the things going as everything stopped, but after some month you will see that subscriber are subscribing faster. Your views analytics will show you that your view amount are increasing more than ever before, because more time you are on YouTube, more videos you have, and more people get to know you day by day. Thanks guys for watching. This was our new financial video, and by the way, subscribe to our channel, give likes and comment your impression and questions. Good luck guys.